are interested, let us know.
Okay, you are asking yourself, should I learn how to code? And you've been wondering about this for a while. That's what I did for years. I used to go into bookstores and pick up books on code, and I'd look at them and I'd think, oh, this looks so hard. There's no way I'll be able to learn this. And I did that for a couple of years, actually. And then one day I decided I gotta start. I just have to do it. So I started. And then the next question I had was, all right, what language am I going to start with? I don't know what I want to do with this. I just know I want to learn it. And I looked around for a while. I discovered a language called processing, which was really fun because I was making some little art projects at the time, and processing is very good for that. However, if you're asking yourself, which language should I start with? I don't know how to start. Then I would start with JavaScript, because JavaScript is the most popular language in the world. It's the language of the World Wide Web. You have a JavaScript engine built into your browser, so you're already ready to go. And it's a very good beginning language. Also, if you learn the principles of JavaScript, you'll be able to pick up a second language pretty easily. So I have a course, Beginning Coding with JavaScript. Click on my name below, James Gilmore. That'll take you to my YouTube channel. And get started. There's an intro video called Start Coding Now. It's only a couple minutes. And in a couple of minutes, you'll be up and running, and you can start coding right away. I highly recommend starting, because you never know. I think it's going to be easier than you thought to get started. And I think it's also going to be more fun than you thought. So I highly encourage you to try it. Thanks.